Hi, I'm Skylar. If you use Notes between your Apple devices, you might wonder, well, how could I highlight text? Well, in Notes on the Mac, you can highlight text like this, and then secondary click on it, or right click on it. This gives you a contextual menu. Go down to Font, and click Show Colors. The color wheel comes up. I like to use the Crayolas. So here I can select any color I want. So I'm going to make this text red. So I've just highlighted it. You'll also notice that because I edited this old note, it popped right up to the top of the list. That's how iCloud prioritizes things for you. So what you've been working on most recently remains most relevant. There you go. That's how to use highlighters in Notes on the Mac. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.